Today I will be talking to you about the robot that makes you money. Yes, so if you are watching these tutorials, it is for those who are interested in renting robots to get them money. Yes, I've already told you that with this particular earning opportunity, just after registering, you are given a 24 hours free robot to work for you. And this robot is going to work for you 24 hours and give you $2.07. And then after you have rented that robot for that one day, you now don't have any robot again. So you have to do manual reading. And this manual reading is going to give you, every day you are allowed to read 10 manual readings, and you are going to get 20 cents at the end of it. Imagine, so if you do manual readings, which each manual reading is 30 seconds, if you do manual readings for 5 days, you get $1 every month. I hope you understand. And then if you do it 5 days for continuously, so $1 times 10 gives you $10, and then you can withdraw. That is if you don't want to invest. But for those of us who are investing, we invest $69 into it, and then at the end of 7 days we get $14. That one is up to you. So you can see that one also from here. You see, you can buy a robot for 7 days, and then the amount is 69 USDT, and then it gives you 3% profit every day, meaning that every day you get 2.07 USDT, and then at the end of the 14 days you have 14.49 USDT. So that is it, and then the rest continues like that and like that. But let's talk about how to register and how to get on board. So I'm going to go straight into action with the registration. The first thing is that you should get a registration link, and that is what I've posted on this page. So I'll tap on the registration link. And then once I tap on the registration link, I wait for it to load. The only thing that I have to do here is to enter in my username, my email address, and then I'll tap on this send code. Once I tap on this send code, I'll be given a code in my email address. Once I get the code in my email address, I'll type the code here. The next thing that I will do is to set a login password. That is to me. And you should make sure that, because there's nothing like confirm password here, you have to make sure that you remember what you have set. Thank you. And then always don't forget that there should be a recommender ID here. So make sure there's a recommender ID here. And immediately you are done with that, just tap on this sign up now. My brother, once you get a success message, you are registered. So the verification part is where a code is sent to your email. The only thing you need is a very working email address. Once you have tapped on this one, because I have already gotten an account, I'm not going to tap on it. And then if you look over here, you will see that there's a whole lot of people earning and people are withdrawing. The minimum you can withdraw is $10. So you have to make sure that you can see this one is $13, this one is $17, this one is $12, and then it continues on. And then the next thing that I would want you to do is that after you have now registered, if you are using an Android phone, tap on this link to download the app. If you are using an Apple, tap on this link to download the app, so that it becomes easier for you to interact with this opportunity or the platform. Okay, so that is all for the registration. I'm going to download the app so that in the next video we will be able to log in and then go through how the interface and how things work on there. So see you in the next video. You are welcome to this video. It is indeed the AI intelligent robots. Robots are coming to make the work easier for us. Now you don't even have to be reading all the things. Robots can do the reading for you. Now I have opened the app. I have two opportunities here. Either I want to register or I want to log in. So if you didn't register on the web and then you want to register in the app, you should, but make sure that you have a referral code here. But I really recommend that you register on the web. And then once you come here, you have your login. You enter your email. if you want to log in, the only thing you have to do is to enter your email here, and then you enter the password that you chose also here. If you have forgotten your password, there's always this option for you to reset your password. Thank you. Now that we are done with that, you just have to tap on the login now. So I'm going to log in, and then we can see my password and everything is already in. So I just tap here and everything is there. I'll tap on login now. I'm logged in. There's it. This is it. So I will just close this one. I have four tags here. There are 4 tabs here. The first one says home, the second one says read, the third one says smart read, and then the last one says mine. Good. So mine is where you have your account details. So I'm gonna tap on mine. You have your account details. Here you can change your profile, you can change your password, you can change your withdrawal password, a language if you want to, and then you can also have your referral link here. Yes, or better still, you can just tap on this place and say I want to invite a friend. It will also give you a referral link. If you want to withdraw, here you are. If you want to top up, here you are. This is your balance. This is the robot that you have rented so far. This is your special unique ID, and then the people that you have referred, or the number of people that you have referred. So that is all. And then for the other things, if you want to read about the project, you can just use this one. If you want to read about the project, you can just use this one. And then if you want to log out, you just use this exit here to log out. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to talk to you about is the home. Once you come to the home, you can just tap on the AI smart, and if you have, it allows you to buy robots so that they can mine for you. Some people were okay. So the next thing that you're going to do here is to go to the read. Now under the read, this is where we do the manual reading. So you see lots of adverts here. Just tap on any of them, and then once it opens, you are going to see a timer. You are going to see this timer, and you realize that the timer is going down. It started from 30 seconds. It goes down and down and down and down until it gets to 0. Now once this timer gets into 0, because I have already done my manual reading for today, so it is going to tell me that I have hit my maximum manual reading for today. So I won't be credited anything again. Yes, I will be credited anything again. So when you look here, it says manual read daily peak. So I've reached my daily peak, so I won't be, if I watch, no matter how many I watch, I don't get anything from it. So let's go quickly to the smart read. Here is the smart read. Once you open the smart read, it just goes on, and I'll just click on start. Once I click on start, it starts working automatically. But for me, I've already enjoyed my free 24 hours, my welcome bonus. So now my timer is at 000. Yes, I don't have any time to mine again free. So now what I would have to do is to hire a robot to do the reading for me so that I can earn. So I'll just tap on hire. Okay, very soon let's enter into how you can rent a robot. It is also very simple. Once I come here, you see the unit price for this robot is $69 or 69 USDT. I'll tell you why I'm saying dollars and not USDT over here, because 1 USDT is equivalent to $1. So if I want to, I will also have to specify the number of days that I want to rent, the number of robots that I want to rent, and then it will calculate the total amount that I'm supposed to pay, and then this is my balance. So if I had the balance of $69, I would have just bought it through my balance, and then it is cool. You don't have to make any payment. But because I don't have, my balance is not up to $69, what I would have to do is to just tap on, maybe here you can also specify the number of days that you want to buy the bot. I'll just set it on 7 days and then go to buy. I have insufficient balance, so it says please recharge. Over here it tells me what the means that I can use in buying, and it is purely USDT. And if you look at the current rate, it says $1 is equal to 1 USDT. I just have to tap on pay. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to tap on pay. I have to tap how much I want to recharge. Because I have $2, I'm going to say that I want to recharge $67, and then I'll go to pay. Over here it will give me a timer for me to finish my payment. So I have to make the payment to this. This is where I said that those of you, if you go to our link sheet, you look at the best exchange, use that link and then download that, and then I'll take you through everything that you need to do. And then if you need a wallet also, there's another link there which is the best wallet you can find. Okay, so this is the amount that I'm supposed to transfer. This is my order number, as you can see, and this is the address that I have to. If I'm using the app, I can just scan this QR code to make the payment quickly. But if I'm not using the app, I would have to come and tap on this copy. I would have to tap on this copy, and then I will be able to copy the address into my clipboard, and then it makes payment easily. You have to make sure that you finish the payment within this stipulated timer. If the timer runs out, your deposit will not be accepted, your recharge will not be accepted. So please take note, and then make sure that you have already stocked your wallet with that amount before you come here. I can just choose not to pay, and then it won't do me anything. Man, okay, so let's talk about I want to withdraw. If you want to withdraw, you just have to set up your withdrawal details. Now, because I've not gotten to that level, it doesn't allow me to tap anything here. But once I get to my balance gets to the minimum balance, you see over here, timeout. Once I get to minimum balance of $10, I will be able to enter my withdrawal details and then withdraw. Thank you so much. I believe this was very needful. You have gotten some value from this video. However, the last thing, the share download link, and then you are good to go. I hope it is very simple. Yeah, and you also learn something from this. Thank you so much. Once I come here, I can just send it to whoever I want to send it to, and then it is good. So thank you so much, and then make sure if there's any other question, please put it on our WhatsApp group. Yes, you can also invite your friends to join the WhatsApp group. Hey there, please. Thank you so much.